Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to send USDT from Coinbase to Trust Wallet. So what to do is quite simple. First of all, head over to your Trust Wallet application. Now once on your Trust Wallet application, you need to first copy the receiving address. So for this case, click on receive. So once you click on receive, click on the search bar, then search for USDT. So we're going to be copying the USDT receiving address over here. So for this case, I'll choose this one with the Ethereum network. Then after that, I'll just click on copy. Okay, so once you click on copy, you can either choose what to do. You can either choose deposit from exchange, because when you choose deposit from exchange over here, the Coinbase wallet will automatically show up, or the Coinbase exchange will show up. So I'll click on the Coinbase exchange over there. So once you click on the Coinbase exchange, make sure that you have some tokens or you have some coins on your Coinbase exchange, and then go ahead and log into your wallet. Okay, so what to do is quite simple. As you can see over here, I don't have any USDT in my Coinbase wallet. So what you can do is quite simple. Just go ahead and then buy into your Coinbase wallet and then go ahead and transfer. So this would be a very simple and direct procedure. And I hope this video was helpful. If so, make sure to like and subscribe. Until next time, we shall meet.